In this video, we're going to dive into how to detect misconfigurations in Tenable and why doing so is crucial for your network security. Misconfigurations can lead to vulnerabilities and exposure that can be exploited by attackers, so it's important to spot and address them quickly. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pinpoint these issues and keep your environment secure. You might be wondering, how do I even begin to detect misconfigurations in Tenable? Well, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, just so you know, you can start using Tenable completely free right now with an exclusive bonus by following the first link below. Let's jump right into it. First things first, the scanning process. Tenable has a powerful scanning engine that looks for vulnerabilities and misconfigurations within your systems. When setting up scans, make sure you're configuring your policies properly. By doing so, you ensure that the scan is thorough and finds all potential misconfigurations, including things like open ports, incorrect firewall settings, and improper permissions. Next thing, reviewing your scan results. After running a scan, Tenable provides detailed reports. These reports include identified vulnerabilities as well as possible misconfigurations. It's critical to interpret these reports properly. Not all findings are misconfigurations, some might just be benign, but others can be potential threats. Pay attention to high-risk and critical issues that Tenable flags. Look specifically for warnings related to services running that shouldn't be, or settings that differ from best practices. The third thing, analyzing configuration drift. Over time, system configurations can drift, meaning they deviate from the intended security policies. Tenable helps you track this drift by comparing current configurations to baseline configurations. Make sure to regularly review this drift analysis to detect if anything has been altered inappropriately, like changes in user access controls or system permissions. The fourth thing, use the built-in compliance checks. Tenable integrates various compliance frameworks, such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, and CS benchmarks. These compliance checks are designed to help you identify misconfigurations according to industry standards. Running these compliance scans not only ensures that you're meeting regulatory requirements, but also highlights misconfigurations that could lead to security gaps. Now, let's talk about continuous monitoring. Misconfigurations often happen due to overlooked changes, like a patch being applied incorrectly or a misconfigured user account. Tenable offers continuous monitoring to help you stay on top of your environment. By setting up automatic vulnerability scans on a regular schedule, you can quickly detect misconfigurations as soon as they appear. This proactive approach ensures that vulnerabilities don't linger unnoticed. Lastly, remember that collaboration is key. You can use Tenable's collaboration tools to work with your team in resolving misconfigurations. The tool allows you to assign tasks, track progress, and ensure that every misconfiguration is addressed in a timely manner. Don't go at it alone. Use your team's expertise to remediate any issues found during your scans. So, there you have it. You now know how to detect misconfigurations in Tenable and keep your system secure. If you want to take your security to the next level, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial by following the link below. You'll get extended access to the software with some extra perks. Thanks for watching, and don't miss out on securing your network the right way.